learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, 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 it's time for another edition of Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month is February, and we're trying to help people all over the place, okay? 我们要多多帮忙大家。如果有什么需要的时候，比如说有时候搬东西啊，搬得很重啊，搬不动啊，或要找个东西，找个眼镜，其实戴在头上啊，帮你找啊，都可以来帮忙。All right, how do you say 我来帮你 ？Let me help you.
我来老五天数，
我来老五天数 Okay, that means let me help you. Tensu is the part where it means help. 那就是帮忙。好，就用刚刚讲的例子好了。有时候东西真的很重，需要人家帮忙嘛，
都搬不动，
一起搬或者是搬不动，就是要让那个人来搬。Okay, this box is so heavy. Could you help me move it? I can't move it. 箱子好重，我搬不动。
熊诶，懂虫。
熊诶，这只熊还真的很重哦。
我是熊哦。
你好大胆，敢搬熊哦。
那我真的搬不动了。
熊诶是箱子是不是？
对。
Oh, okay, that sounds like a bear, but it's actually a box.
熊诶，懂虫。
熊诶，懂虫。哦，懂虫，虫就是很重啊。
对呀，好重哦。
虫 ，Okay, that means very heavy.
我搬唔挺同。
哦，听得出来你搬不动了哈。我搬唔挺同。哦，搬不动了。
对。
All right. Then of course I'm gonna say, Alice, no problem. 我来帮你搬，尤其是男人，这是要展现他的那个魅力的时候。Let me help you move it.
我来老五天数搬。
我来老五天数搬。OK， 就跟刚刚我们的主题句是一样，只多一个搬。
对。
OK, that means let me help you move. And 当然你要说什么？
好，按字 say。
这个就是好，谢谢你嘛，至少要有这一句嘛，对不对？ That means sure and thank you. 好，按字 say. That of course is thank you.
还有讲什么？
哦，这谢谢你的另外一种腔调，对不对？
对，
用另外一种方式带出来了耶。什么 ？Okay, that's actually a different dialect for saying 按字 say or thank you. 好 ，Let's review some of these terms. The box 箱子。
熊诶，
熊诶 heavy 重，
虫
and to move 搬，and it's all about offering help. 我来帮你。
我来老五天数，
我来老五天数 and to say for listening to another edition of Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.